Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video, we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 11, algebraic expressions. It is very important chapter which is useful for next classes also. Let us say definition of algebraic expression first. Yes, here's the definition. An algebraic expression is a single term and combination of terms connected by the basic operations. What are the basic operations we have? Yes, we have plus, minus, into, division, right? So the terms are connected by any operation in this. Okay, so either it is single term or combination of terms. So it is called a algebraic expressions, right? So we can say in another manner also. So an algebraic expression is a combination of terms assigning with plus, minus, into, division. Okay, we can say in this way also. Okay, here it is given. An algebraic expression is a single term or combination of terms connected by the basic operations. So single term means, suppose see, this is a term, this one is one more term. Okay, so this is a algebraic expression connected by plus operation. Okay, so two terms connected by an operation, this is an algebraic expression. Suppose if you take only this 2x, this is also an algebraic expression with single term. Okay, so here it is, this one, an algebraic expression is a containing two terms, right? See here, 2 by 3p. So this is also an algebraic expression of single term. 2 by 3p considered as single term. Okay, suppose see here, if I take see here 3x minus 1. So between 3 and x we have multiplication operation, even though we are taking 3x as a single term. Okay, right? Similarly, minus 1 is another term. So 3x and 1 are two different terms assigning with minus sign. Okay, so it is called a algebraic expressions. Okay, right, clear? So right, next 4y plus 2. So here 4y considered as single term, 2 is another term, 4y plus 2 is the combination of terms assigning with plus sign. Okay, so remember one thing, so here the product, that means into operation, suppose 4 is a term, 4 is a number, y is and one more number, so 4y makes one term here. Okay, so plus divides the number of terms. Okay, place makes the terms different, isn't it? Did you get this point? Yes. Okay, I'll explain once again. If you see here, so suppose you take 3x square is a single term. So here between 3 and x we have into operation, but still we are considering it is only single term. Okay, clear? So suppose if I assign with like this 3 plus x square, this is combination of two terms. Okay, so when we are considering two terms, whether it is assigning with plus or assigning with minus. Okay, right, clear? So if we assign with plus or minus, then only we separately count the terms. Okay, right. So in division and multiplication we do not count the terms separately. Clear? Right. Next, see, yeah, here this x and this y, this z are variables known as variables. So here this is an algebraic expression. In this algebraic expression we have three variables, one is x, second one y and z. Okay, so what is mean by variable? Let us know about detailedly about variables. Next, see here. Yes, variable, it takes different values. Okay, variable takes different values. So it means variable value not fixed. Okay, it changes every time. Okay, it varies. Okay, clear? In place of variable we can take any numerical value. In place of variable we can take any numerical value according to the situation. Okay, right. So generally we denote variables, we use the variables x, y, z, sometimes a, b, m also we can use. Okay, so no need to fix for these alphabets only. We can take any alphabet in English letters. So from A to Z we can use any alphabet as variable. Okay, clear? Right. This is about variable. So next, suppose if I write one algebraic expression like 3x plus 2. So here this 2 is the constant. Okay, 2 is the constant. This is the variable term. So here this 3 is called coefficient of x. What is that? 3 is called coefficient of x. Okay, let us see next. Yeah, constant. Let us know about detail about constant. The value of constant is fixed. Okay, so one value, one is only, it is fixed always, right? Okay, 2 is fixed value. These are numerical values are always fixed, so that so all the numericals are called as constants. Okay, right. So constant also involved in the algebraic expressions. Okay, clear? Suppose see 2x plus y plus 3 is there. So this is one term, this is one more term, this is one more term. So what is the constant term here? This 3 is the constant term, right? So suppose 3x plus 4y plus 19. What is the constant term here? 19 is the constant term, right? Next. So next, take the heading coefficient. So here a x power n, a into x power n. So we know that, so x is a variable here, x is a variable, a is a coefficient. Remember this, in a into x power n, x is the variable, right? And a is the coefficient of x variable. Remember this thing. Okay, right? This n is the power, we know that already. N is a power, right? So coefficient means which is a numerical value which is assigning with variable. Okay, right. So here a is the coefficient, x is the literal coefficient we call. So x is the literal coefficient. Suppose take an algebraic expression minus y. So what is the coefficient of minus y? S. So coefficient of minus y is a minus 1. Okay, this we can write minus 1 into y, right? So this minus 1 is the coefficient of minus 1. Then what is the literal coefficient of minus y? Literal coefficient of minus y is a literal coefficient. Writing in short form. Literal coefficient of minus y is y. Remember this thing, it is very important concept. Okay, yes, what we discussed about algebraic expression definition as well. Yeah, once again I will write here algebraic expression definition, and we learned about variable and constant term as well. Next, coefficients, right? Clear? Yes. So I will write some algebraic expressions here. 2x plus 3, 5x square. So take 3z plus zx plus y. It is also an algebraic expression. Okay. So 3z minus x. Okay. All these are algebraic expression. We can make many number of algebraic expression. Okay. Right. So here in this algebraic expression, two terms we have, only one term here, and here it is we have three terms. Okay, and here two terms. Clear? Yes. This is about algebraic expression. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.